Hello friends, this is Sumit Bagul and I welcome you all to the brand new episode of Sex Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, whenever we face medical or health related problem, what do we usually do? We share that problem with our family or with our friends, right? But whenever we face any problem which is related to our sexual life, we don't share it with anyone. Rather, we try to hide it. And for this reason, we have started this special sex educational show called Sex Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, this is one of its kind platform where you all will be able to share your questions related to your sexual life and Dr. Vijay Dahifale will solve your problem in very positive manner. But before starting the actual talk, let us all know about Dr. Vijay Dahifale in detail. Dr. Vijay Dahifale is very famous sexologist, urologist and andrologist. He has his clinics in Aurangabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dwarka Sector 23, Pune, Nerul in Navi Mumbai, Dadar, Andheri, Kalyan, Nashik, Ahmedabad and Dubai. Dr. Vijay Dahifale frequently travels in India and abroad for seminars and conferences related to sexology. So friends, now that you all know about Dr. Vijay Dahifale's various clinics, we have a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Dahifale has recently started his new brand clinic in Thane. So if you are in Thane, if you are in Mumbai or if you could travel to Thane, you can definitely take his consultation in his Thane clinic. Let's start the show. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Sumit.
Doctor, we are speaking about sexual dysfunction and we have received tremendous response on Facebook, on YouTube and you also have received a lot of email and people want to know scientific information about different types and shapes of penis.
Definitely.
So sir, my first question to you is, what is unpredictable penis?
Yes, definitely. In this series of sex education, sexual awareness and sexual safety, we are seeing different types of penises. What are different types? Why we are taking this information? We want this scientific information because one should differentiate between normal and abnormal penis. There are 20 types of penises which are taken as a normal. So this variety, what you are asking, which are unpredictable penises. The definition itself is unpredictable, means when that person is going for activity, when he want to do the sexual act, and at that moment, when he want the erection, it doesn't get erected. Then again it falls down or he cannot perform with the partner, and this is not just usually happens. This is an indication of any underlying disease, any psychological problem, any type of pathology like a blood pressure or underlying diabetes or any other type of cardiac disease. So one should not take it lightly for such a unpredictable penises. A very nice treatment is available with sexology, urology and andrology, and definitely we will see much more information again.
Definitely sir, but in such type of penises, what kind of precautions that is very essential by partner?
Yes, if both partners are together and suddenly they came across like this, means one partner is in mood, especially female partner is in mood, and this fellow is trying to do it, trying it and unable to perform, then he goes under depression, he feel very sad. In such a case, it's a very big role of his partner. That partner should not laugh with him. The partner should tell, dear, don't worry. Definitely we'll see it. Don't be so panic. We'll go to sexologist, urologist, andrologist. We'll see what is the cause. We'll take the treatment. We'll see what sore is the reason. I'm there with you. And one by one, once you will recover, again we'll perform. If others will say like this, what happened with you? You are not doing with me. You are having something else and like this. So he will come under attention. So the proper coordination, proper understanding and mutual understanding definitely improves this person. And then when you visit to the clinic, to sexologist, urologist and andrologist, we will see the causes and definitely we can give very nice of treatment and will be totally okay.
Definitely. Sir, we have first caller on the show. We have Robin from Goa. Robin, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Whether use of condom can delay ejaculation and increase sex stamina?
Yeah.
Okay.
Excellent. This is again a very common question to me. So many people are behind. Naturally, he want to increase his stamina. Naturally, he want to increase his sexual time. We have discussed so many things like Kegel exercise, stop and start method, to pinch the glands when he is getting the sensation. But whether this use of condom can delay his ejaculation? Yes, it can delay because there are some new condoms are available which they have desensitizers. mild desensitization is occurred so that he can perform for a longer time. Second thing, it's a barrier, means there is a no direct stimulation from the vagina, from the front partner. So when he is doing thirsting to and fro movements, directly impulse doesn't come, and definitely compared to bare penis with the help of condom, with such type of some any lubricant or any type of desensitizing agent, definitely his period is increased and he get relief from premature ejaculation.
Definitely, sir. A while ago, you spoke about
Sure.
unpredictable penis.
Yeah.
Now we would like to know about emotionally sensitive penis.
Yes.
What is that?
Definitely. So he came with very new type of penises, emotionally sensitive penis. Whether it is available, the name itself tells. Emotionally sensitive means what? There are few people who are oversensitive, means they want silence, they don't want any disturbance, or when they are performing any act, if the children are playing or somebody is knocking the door, or if there is a big noise, they are unable to arouse, they are unable to perform the act, but you don't take it at so lightly, because what happens in few cases, there might be some psychological fear or some type of diseases. In such a cases, you are supposed to go to sexologist, urologist and andrologist, see is there any other psychological cause, any type of hypersensitivity or any problem with the partners. So definitely this is a solvable, and after visiting the clinic, you can get a very, very nice solution.
Sir, but in such cases, what couple should do?
Yes. Now only not with male, with female also this happens. You can say loss of interest, loss of libido, she is not feeling that I will want to do the sex. In this case, the partner should not become panic. In this case, try for change of place. What happens? Daily doing the same thing at same place, in same position. That's why we are discussing different positions also. So that partner wants some change. You go for outing, you have to go some outside for the shopping also, or whatsoever your partner likes. So change of mood, change of place, and if suppose beyond that, if there is any type of treatment is required, then you can consult with sexologist, urologist and andrologist. Definitely nice treatments are available, counseling is available. We are having so many types of books with us, like a unique formula for happy life. By reading that, definitely they can overcome these emotionally sensitive penises.
Definitely, sir. We have one more caller on the show.
Sure.
We have Harminder Kaur
Yeah.
from Punjab. Harminder, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Why condom are with different color, flavor, and texture, and how it helps during sex?
Yes.
Okay.
Very
so I think
interesting
very
question.
interesting and
Yeah.
important.
Sure, because so many inquiries are there like this, means why that company had made like this, different color, then different flavor, even flavor are also different, like strawberry,
Right.
chocolate, colors like a pink one, black one, and again textured. They are ribbed one, sometimes half ribbed and half dotted one, and whether how they are helpful for the sex. Definitely the importance is pleasure. They want to get enjoyment. Why they are flavored? Because so many times while doing oral sex, sometimes there is a natural smell of vagina or penis that irritates. So you want to dampen that. Second thing, color means it's for the attraction purpose, and why they are dotted or ribbed in smooth penises. If you want to get a nice orgasm, nice pleasure, nice enjoyment. So definitely what madam is asking, it's really true. The reason for getting excitation, for getting interest in the sex and to get a good orgasm, such a type of condoms are definitely useful. But along with that, if the lubricants are there, but by the advice of sexologist, urologist and andrologist.
Definitely, sir. Moving ahead, what are
Sure.
smooth penises?
Yes, correct. Whether smooth penises are available? Yes. What do you mean by smooth penises? It is a plain penis after erection or before that. There is no vein, no elevation, there is no corona depression or corona elevation. Such a type of penises with a like a marble one. Yes, they are also a normal variation taken as a normal, called as a smooth penises.
Definitely, sir. Then in such type of cases, what needs to be taken care
Yeah.
to increase sensation of smooth penises?
Yes. Some partner will be very happy. Those who are virgin one, who was first time going under sex, they will feel, oh, it's a very nice, I will not get pain, I will get a very smooth entry like this. But if the partner is older one with some laxity of vagina, they will not get an orgasm. Then what they will need? They will require some additional thing. Means some people undergo the surgery by putting in a silicone pellets. It's a permanent surgery. They can rub on the G point. But temporarily what they can do? They can add a thick condom or the condom with the ribs or condom with these dots, and with the use of lubricant, again change of positions. By doing this, even if there is smooth penis and partner want the more orgasm, more pleasure, so such a type of variations, dots, ribs or addition of pellets definitely give the richness in the sex, and they can get a very nice orgasm and pleasure to both the male and female partners.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much
Yeah.
for sharing all this information. But due to time constraint, we have to stop here in this particular episode.
Yeah.
But definitely, we'll meet in
Sure.
one more episode. But friends, if you want to take Dr. Vijay Dahifale's consultation, then there are various contact details available right on your screen. And there is good news for you that Dr. Vijay Dahifale has recently started his new brand clinic in Thane. So if you're in Thane, if you're in Mumbai, if you're in Navi Mumbai, you can definitely visit his Thane center and take very positive consultation. Thank you so much, friends. It's time to stop here. Thank you so much.